Hello. Today I'm going to teach you a part of calculus called product rule. Basically, in the last video we covered something that of this sort: 3x squared plus 9x plus 2. So you just take the derivative right through. But what if we came across something that was more like y equals 2x times x cubed? So you wouldn't just be able to differentiate. It wouldn't be 2 times 3x squared. That's wrong. There's a special way to do it, and so let's do it. Okay. So it's called the product rule, and it's wherever you see two things being multiplied. All right. So let's try it. And usually, with the product rule, you see two things being multiplied together. And if there's more than two things, which we'll get to a little bit later, try to make it two things. So you could name it, okay, for example, this is A. Name one A and one B. And basically what the product rule is, to take the derivative of that, it's going to be A times the derivative of B plus B times the derivative of A. Now that may look a little complicated, but once we start actually doing it, you'll see that's not complicated at all. Okay. Sorry you can't really see it over here, but it's one or the other. Let me draw the problem closer over here, so you could see both of them simultaneously. Okay, so I can erase this right here. So, like we decided, this is A, and this is B. Alright? So, we decided that y prime is equal to A times the derivative of B. So, A times the derivative of B, which is 3x squared, plus B, like it is, times the derivative of A. So, simplifying it out, it would be y prime is equal to 2x times 3x squared would be 6x cubed plus x cubed times 2 is 2x cubed. So your final answer would be y prime is equal to 8x cubed. Okay? So let's check our work. Okay? Instead of doing this whole product rule, up here you could just decide to multiply these out to make it 2x to the fourth. Because 2x times x cubed is equal to 2x to the fourth. And since over here, the x's aren't technically it would be 2 times x to the fourth, and so you could use the product rule for that. But since 2 is a constant, you don't have to do the whole product rule. You could just, because the derivative of 2 is just 0, you could just take the derivative right away. So it's 2 times 4x cubed, which is 8, which equals 8x cubed. So the answer we got down here is right. Okay. Let's try another one. Okay. Let's try still the product rule. Okay. Let's do y is equal to 3x times 9 times 2x squared times, sorry, that's a times x to the fifth. Alright, now that's 1, 2, 3, 4 different things being multiplied together. And the best thing to do is to actually simplify it. So instead of 4 things being multiplied, you have maybe 2. So we could actually use the product rule. So you choose to just combine 2 things. Let's combine the 3x and the 9. So it would be 27x. And then let's combine the 2x and the x to the fifth. The 2x squared and the x to the fifth. And that will be 2x to the seventh. Okay? So let's do the product rule. And sorry, I erased it over here. Product rule is first a times the derivative of b plus b times the derivative of a. So let's make this a, let's make this b. Alright. So a times the derivative of b, b would be times 14 x to the sixth plus b, like it is, 2x to the seventh times the derivative of a, which is 27. And I'm actually gonna keep it like that because it would be too long to actually multiply everything out. Plus, it'll serve a good point because we could see how it directly correlates to the formula. Okay, so a, and we said our a is 27, so 27x. So 27x times the derivative of b. Derivative of b is 14x to the sixth plus b, like it is, 2x to the seventh. And this is a 7, by the way. Sorry, you can't really see it. Times the derivative of a. The derivative of a is 27. And if I was to multiply everything out and get just one answer, it would be the same as multiplying these two together and then taking the derivative of this. It would just be a shorter way. And that's basically the product rule. In the next video, I'm going to try to teach you how to do problems like x cubed divided by 3x, or x 3x to the third divided by 2x divided by 1. Okay? Seems complicated, but it's actually not too bad. So yeah, see you in the next video.